Good morning. Video message for Seamus. Hello sir. Thank you for buying the beautiful 08S. Love the 08s. I have too many. But I'll still miss this girl. She's a lovely, lovely running example. So she's going off today with Royal Mail, and hopefully she'll arrive in the next couple of days for you. I'm not sure how long they take to get to Ireland, in fact, currently. I did start the video yesterday. It started to lash down with rain. So she was started yesterday. Let's see how she runs this morning. Throttle lock, bit of choke. Many thanks, Seamus. Hope you love the saw. It's strange, even though I have, actually I don't know how many of these I have, 08s or variations of them, over 10, and I never get bored of running them. Absolutely love this engine. Absolutely love this engine. Even after 50 plus years, if they've been looked after, they still perform so well, and on restarts they're just, well, they're... Seamus, many thanks. Hope you love the saw, and perhaps I can tempt you with some other old ladies very soon. Bye for now.